Hi there, this video is called Live Heavy Rain in West Byfleet, UK 2019. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As they say, here we go. Absolutely shucking it down with heavy rain in West Byfleet right this minute. Just as I predicted, guys. Always 85% right about the weather. No joke. Prove to you guys, I was right about the weather. Always 85% right about it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we're having a very wet, showery morning in Surrey. Just as I predicted. Always 85% right about the weather. Never say never to rain. Enjoy this video of a live heavy rain in Surrey, in West Byfleet. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.